Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I am starting the light from the starting. Okay. So if you have already completed, then it will be your revise, and if not completed, and then also no problem. So light, we all know familiar with light. Light is coming from this light, tube light, this bulb. From light is coming from this bulb. Okay, and you know light, and definition, according to the definition of light in physics, we know that light is a form of energy which enables us to feel the objects or things around us. So light helps us to see the objects around us. Suppose this is the room and I am sitting in the room, and if light, there is no light in this room, can you guys, can you see me?
No.
No. Means, it means it is clearly understood that l- there is something known as light which helps us to see the object. But how this happens? How this is happening? How the light helps us to see the objects? This is the question now. Object means this pen can be an object, I can be an object, you can be an object. Anything which we are watching or seeing is an object. Only, but sometimes we watch the images also. When light coming from object enters in our eyes, this light may have, okay, no problem, leave that. So this is the thing. From here you can see we are able to see the objects only when light coming from the object enter in our eyes. So if you are, if you are watching me on the laptop, means you are watching the laptop, guys, around us, around yourself, you can, you imagine, you can, your, this is your phone, this is my phone, and I am watching my phone. Okay, so they are saying that this object can only be seen by me if and only if light is emitted from this mobile phone. Light is emitted from this mobile phone, enters in my eyes. But this mobile phone is not emitting any light. This mobile phone is not emitting any light. So how these things is happening? So I am giving one example with the help of that, you can understand the whole phenomena, how this all things are happening. Uh, you can imagine this as a flower. This is a flower, flower. It's a kind of flower, and here it is. Okay, this is a flower. And what is happening? Someone like me, I am here. This is me. I am here and I am watching this flower. I am watching this flower means this flower is visible to me. But this flower is not emitting the light, but how then also it is visible to me. So actually what is happening? What is happening? We know there is something. Sun, we know sun. Okay. So sun, so what is happening? This is a flower somewhere. This is me, and light rays are coming from this sun. Light rays. Light rays are coming from the sun. Sun gives the light rays now. Abdullah and Amna, we know that very well. So what is happening? Sun is giving the light, and light is striking on this flower, and light is striking on this flower, and from this flower, randomly, light is going in every direction, every possible direction. In this direction also. And in the same way, this light, some light from this flower is also coming to us and enters in our eyes. Enters in our eyes. Okay. This is our eyes. This is my eyes. And this the light which is being reflected. We will study the reflection later. So after the reflection, after striking the this flower, some light is going in all the direction. Okay? Light is going in all the direction, and some amount of light is entering in eyes, and due to that, the this object, you can say this is the object flower. This is visible to us. This is visible to us. So this is the whole phenomena. So I am writing this. Flower reflects light in all direction. And after that, what is happening? Some sunlight, or you can say some light, reflected by the flower enters in our eyes. And when light enters in our eyes, the object is visible to us. Abdullah and Hamna, have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And you guys already studied this chapter. Okay. So this is the whole process. And one thing more, one thing that is very, very important. Please note this point. This point looks simple, but not simple as it is looking simple. Light travels in a straight line. If light, if we, if light is not traveling in a straight line, means this chapter is finished from your syllabus. And you will, when you will be in 12th class, there is a chapter on reflection of light, refraction of light. There are some other phenomena of light, interference, diffraction, polarization. You will study in your when you have physics in 12th class. So all the phenomena cannot be explained if this statement was not there. Light travels in a straight line, and you will feel this thing. Okay, and this is the property of light. Now there is a term reflection. Reflection of light. So reflection of light means when a light ray or light rays strike on any surface, and after striking they will go in some direction. Okay, so this phenomena is known as reflection. Like from this bulb that you cannot see, from here is a bulb, and light is coming like this. Light rays are coming like this and striking with my face or with my body and going in different direction. This is known as reflection of light. Okay. So for explaining the reflection, I am taking a surface. Actually, we are studying physics, and to explain physics to anyone, there is a requirement of mathematics. Okay, so we can say mathematics is a language of physics. Okay, uh, so this is a surface, any surface, and here from here a light ray is coming like this, and this light ray is coming from, this light ray can come from the sun, can come from any object after reflection, or can come from any bulb. This light ray can come from an object, okay, which does not emit light, like flower. This light, ray of light can come from the flower also, okay, or can come from the sun also, can come from the any other object also. So this is coming, light ray means there will be some source of this light ray, and whatever after striking at this point of the mirror, light ray will goes like this, and this phenomena is known as reflection. So the process of sending back the light rays. Here is one ray. There can be number of rays also, which can be reflected by this surface. The process of sending back the light rays. Which falls on the surface is called reflection. And this is known as incident ray. And this is incident ray, and after reflection from this point, here is a point. After reflection from this point, this same ray become the reflected ray. Reflected ray. Have you understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that's how we see the objects. Reflection helps us to see the object. So this is the reflection. This is the reflection. Okay. Now, in the syllabus of CBSE 10th class, we have mirrors. We have mirrors. And in your syllabus, two types of mirrors are there. One is plane mirror and another is spherical mirror. Plane mirror we know. We have plane mirror in our homes. We see our image in plane mirror now. When we are going to school and when we are going to party, we see ourselves in the mirror. Are you agree with this, guys? You can speak also, no problem. So mirror, what is mirror? What is mirror and how mirror are formed?
Sir, again.
Okay. Is my voice is not clear, guys?
No, I didn't hear the question, sir.
Okay. Actually, that was not the question. Actually, I was Hamna and Abdullah. There is any problem with my voice? Are you
No,
guys
sir.
it? Hamna, all things are fine. You can tell me if there is any problem. Okay. So I am saying that we know the mirror. We know we have seen the mirrors, and I am saying that in your syllabus means you will study two types of mirror. One is plane mirror, another is spherical mirror. We will discuss those in details. So I am saying that You have familiar with the plane mirrors. When you are going to school or when you are going to a party, you see yourself in the mirror, na? You see yourself in the mirror, in the plane mirror that is at your home.
Yes, sir.
Of course. So how this plane mirror is formed? You can imagine the plane mirror of your home. So how this mirror is formed? So what happens? We take a sheet like this. This is not a phone. This is a sheet. I have taken a sheet like this. Okay. This has two sides. One side is this and another side is this. I have taken a sheet of plain glass. Plain glass sheet. This is the plain glass sheet. How the mirror is formed. And what we do, we deposit a thin layer of silver metal. We deposit a thin layer of silver metal on any of the sides. Like this is the plain sheet of glass, you can imagine, and this is like this. And if you if you are coating, means if you are painting this with silver metal, like you can imagine this is coated with silver metal. So means this becomes the mirror. And okay, so depositing a thin layer of silver metal on a plain glass sheet, on a plain glass sheet. So I am in now, this is the actual diagram, but how I will make this diagram for the representation, I will make this as this, like this a line, and this is the coating. So in actual, this is not like this is like this, but for the study purpose we use this. What we do that, see here, this is the mirror now. This is a mirror. We have polished this side, means we have coated this side. So we place this mirror like this. Okay. Now what you are seeing on the screen, you are seeing only a line here, whose back side is coated. So this is the way of representing only. So this is silver coating. And always remember this point, the coating side of the mirror will always be the back side of the mirror. You now, from now, you will remember this point. The side which is coated with silver will be the back side of the mirror. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Back side of mirror. And so this will be the front side of mirror. So that's how the mirror is formed. You can write here some points also. Silver is one of the best reflector of light. And another point is reflection of light in a plane mirror or any other mirror takes place uh, takes place at the silver surface. Hello, Abdullah, are you okay? Abdullah,
Yes, sir. I got disconnected, sir.
okay, no problem. Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So I have told that I think you have missed this part. So I was telling that for the formation of mirror, plane mirror, we take a sheet of glass, plain sheet of glass, and deposit a thin layer of silver coating, and we represent this plane mirror like this for the study purpose. Okay, and there is one thing more. Silver, we know silver. Silver is a metal, and silver is one of the best reflector of light. Means light can be reflected very well by silver. And more, one thing more. Now, what will happen? Just imagine uh, this is a plane mirror, and we represent coating with this like these lines, like you can imagine. Now, light cannot be reflected like this. You cannot say, sir, light can coming from here. No, light can come from here, but there is no significance of that. Light is coming from everywhere, but there is no significance of light. Means on the back side of the mirror, when the light ray strike, there will be no significance of that. Why? Because there is no reflection. There is no reflection. And when the light, and always remember this point, this will be used in the one thing. You guys have completed the light. So guys, please tell me which mirror is this? Hamna or what do you name? Abdullah. Which mirror is this? Sorry, actually I have made wrong. Give me the answer. Suppose this. Hamna or Abdullah. Can you tell which mirror is this?
Sir, spherical mirror.
Concave.
Okay, first I am asking with Hamna. Hamna, please tell which mirror is this?
A spherical mirror.
And there is any type you will say? Acha, okay, Hamna is saying spherical mirror. Hamna is saying. And now, Abdullah, please tell which mirror is this?
Sir, it depends, sir. If the silver coating is outside, then it's a concave. If it's inside, then it's a convex.
Okay, that is good. But which mirror is this? What about this?
Spherical mirror, sir.
Matlab both answers are same. Spherical mirror. You both are wrong. This is not the mirror. This is not a mirror. Why? Because the mirrors are formed and after the coating. This can be just a simple uh, glass sheet, spherical glass sheet, a part of spherical glass sheet. This cannot be a mirror. This can only become mirror after the coating. Whether you are coating like this, silver coating like this, then it become concave mirror. And if you are coating this mirror, it depends on, this question I ask in every class, and 99% students are not able to give the answer. Actually, the mirror becomes after the coating. Now you have done the coating. Now this will convex mirror. That's why I am telling these things to you. I can simply say this is a plain mirror and go with it. Go with it, because we have to study in deep these mirrors, and there are the numerical where we will get confused. Okay. So for the mirror, the coating is important. Okay. Before coating, no mirror. Just it can be a simple sheet of glass. So I think, and we will study this in detail. And you can ask the Learnivio team if you want to study the chapters. In the last class in physics, what was the topic the teacher has told you? Can anyone tell me? Guys, are you there in the last class of physics with other teacher?
Yes, sir.
So what was the topic there?
Refraction of light.
Nee, reflection of light. But in deflection of light, you were at the starting, or means what topic I was asking, like reflection from concave mirror, image formation, refraction. What is the topic?
Sir, the formation of lens. Uh,
Oh, you means lens. Lens is okay. So if you want, so you can ask the team. I can also teach that also, no problem. So in this class, so we will study light. Okay. So I am only now telling you the right now only the plane. This is the plane mirror, how we represent the plane. Why this is plane mirror? This is plane, and after the silver coating, it will become mirror. So that's why this is known as plane mirror. Give me a minute. So guys, have you understood the phenomena, how the mirrors are formed? So after this is the whole story started from light, and after that, after the reflection, after the how the mirror is formed. I am now only at this point. I am now only talking about the plane mirror. So let's see the another topic. Reflection, laws of reflection. Sorry, laws of reflection. So actually laws of reflection are the laws of nature. These are the laws of nature. So we are studying the laws of reflection. So there are certain laws, LAWS laws, on the basis of which the reflection of light will take place. So what happens? Now I am taking plane mirrors. This is the plane mirror. This plane mirror is like this. Okay. This is a coating surface, back side of mirror, and light will fall on the front side. Okay. So this is plane mirror, and do anyone knows about the normal? What is normal? Hamza and Hamna. Okay. So normal is something, you can say normal is a line, or it can be a plane also. Now I am talking here as a line. Normal is a line which is perpendicular to surface. Like this, you can see. This is plane mirror, and if I am putting pen like this, and the angle between this pen and this is 90-degree, means this is normal. So this is normal. Why I am drawing the normal? We will see why I am drawing this. So this is a light ray. This is a light ray, and this light ray is coming from some light source. This light ray will come from some light source. Then that light source can be sun. That light source can be me. That light source can be anything. Bulb. And we know there is a phenomena after striking at this point, like this is a mirror and this is normal, and light is striking at a point, light ray will strike at a point, and after the reflection it will go like this. After the reflection it will go like this. Okay, I can take this. So this is the thing. Now this is the normal to this surface, and this light ray is making some angle with the normal, and again this light ray is making some angle. Suppose this angle is r, this angle is I. So first law of reflection is, this is known as incident ray. I have already told you. This is known as reflected ray, and this is point of incidence. Points of incidence means the point at which the light ray strikes. So now, first law of reflection, incident ray. This is incident ray, comma, this is reflected ray. reflected ray, and this normal, I am representing normal with n. Normal. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. These all lie on the same plane. On the same plane at the point of in at the point of incidence. This is the point of incidence. I am supposed to be the P. So what does this law means? What does this law means? Means they are saying that this all the phenomena means this light ray, this normal, and this reflected ray. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and normal. They all are in one plane. One plane means you can imagine a plane like this paper. You can imagine plane like this. This is a plane. This is a plane. So all these phenomena are happening on this plane only. Okay, means light ray. This is here. You can put here normal. This is mirror. This is mirror, and light ray is coming from here like this, and this is normal, and this is reflected ray. So the meaning of this statement is this: this all phenomena are taking on a plane. Plane means whenever someone says plane, you should imagine a paper. A paper is a plane. So all things are taking place on the plane at the point of incidence. This is the statement. And second law is this angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. Okay. This angle I is equal to angle R. So these are the two laws of reflection. We have 7 more minutes. So suppose this is a plane mirror and this is the coating, and I am saying a light ray is striking here, which is making an angle 30 degree with the mirror. So we have to find the angle of reflection. Abdullah, can you solve this for me? Abdullah?